For this problem, I want to go ahead and type this one in the calculator. Y equals 2x squared minus 7x minus 4. And I can take a look at the graph and see if I can select or eliminate some answer choices. First of all, it says which one is not a key attribute of the graph. So answer choice A says the function has a y-intercept at 0, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That might be actually true. So we want to go ahead and leave A as a possible answer. For B, let's look. The vertex of the function is at minimum point 1 3/4 and -10 1/8. 1 3/4, -10 1/8. That could possibly be true. We can investigate that one further if we can't eliminate any others. The axis of symmetry of the function is y equals -10 1/8. Okay, axis of symmetry, we know that that equation is always written as x equals. And then it goes coordinates with the x value of the vertex. So we can probably eliminate C. And let's double check on answer choice D. The function has x-intercepts or zeros at -1/2, 0, and 4, 0. That appears to be true. So I think we can safely say that C is the correct answer.